I'm just
Okay.
here to make
So,
a special appearance.
or if you don't
I
want to
don't want a
participate,
contract at all. I don't want a contract at all. I am a
I am here.
non-resident alien. Listen to me. I'm
I'm
telling you.
here for no.
We've got a really wild one today. A so-called sovereign citizen gets completely shut down by this no-nonsense judge during a court hearing about driving without insurance. Seriously, you couldn't make this stuff up. This woman acts as if the law simply doesn't exist and insists it doesn't apply to her because she claims she's not a citizen. This sovereign citizen Karen tries to argue her case, but only ends up making a complete fool of herself while the judge firmly puts her in her place. If you enjoy content like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. Now let's dive right in.
For the record, please.
I am the authorized representative of the all caps name, Janvier Sherelle Williams.
All right. And it's my understanding today that you don't want to be represented by an attorney. Is that correct?
Yes, I have power of attorney.
Okay. And you know that you have the absolute right to have an attorney. This matter is a misdemeanor before my court. So certain constitutional rights kick in. The fine is up to $500. A possible, I believe, now this one ticket is 90 days maximum in jail, potentially, in these particular matters. So when we start taking away civil liberties, there's a right to have an attorney. You understand that, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay. Ma'am, how would you like to move forward with this? Do you have current insurance, up to date and current insurance?
Actually, I took the car and I put it inside of the business, the trust, and I'm not operating the vehicle now because we need to do some more paperwork on it. I am in the process of rescinding all my contracts. I'm just here to make a special appearance.
Okay, so let me let you know. So even if you're making a special appearance on behalf of that, either you have insurance or you don't have insurance. And then you need to tell me how you would like to proceed forward. We can either proceed forward with the plea, proceed forward with the trial, bench, or jury in this matter.
As I understand the process, the judge, the county attorney, or the police officer has leveled the criminal charge with the clerk against the trust using the all cap name.
Ma'am, it's all the same. So whether it's all caps or lower caps, if it comes under your driver's license number and it's a registered vehicle to you, it's your responsibility. So my question was, do you or don't you have insurance at this point in time?
I'm asking you to dismiss the case with prejudice.
Okay, so I'm not going to do that because it's still an open case and I still don't have whether or not you have insurance. Has to be provided. Any vehicles that are driven, road, traveled, on the roads have to have insurance in the state of Michigan.
Well, the clerk, who is the administrator of the CSTQ trust, then appointed you, the judge, as the trustee for the trust. And since neither of you can be the beneficiary, that leaves me. And therefore, you are my trustee. So as my trustee, I instruct you to discharge this entire matter.
Who does this Karen even think she is? Seriously, she's trying to get the entire case dismissed by claiming she's a foreign alien and that the laws don't apply to her. How does that even make sense? If you're driving on public roads, you're automatically agreeing to follow the law, plain and simple. And that includes having insurance. It's called implied consent, and no amount of made-up legal arguments will ever change that. What do you guys think? Should we get rid of all these sovereign citizens? Or do they actually have a point? Let's dive back.
At your argument of trial of judge will ask you, okay?
No. So here's your options. You can either plead or you can have a bench or jury trial. How would you like to proceed? Or if you don't want to participate. Or if you don't want to participate.
I don't want a contract at all. I don't want a contract at all.
So if you don't want to participate, then what we do is the next stage is a show cause or a KPS.
So, as my trustee, I instruct you to discharge this entire matter with prejudice and award the penalties for these charges to be paid to me and compensation, damages, or for all false arrests.
All right. So it seems like she doesn't want to participate in today's hearing. So I'm going to set this for a show cause on the date of July 22nd, 2024 at 8:30 a.m. If at that point in time, Ms. Janvier Sherelle Williams would like to participate in the hearing, she can return to court. Bond set at $0 personal. Have a great day, ma'am.
Things are about to get way more heated than the last hearing. This Karen starts completely losing it while the judge tears apart her arguments one by one. I just don't understand how this woman thinks it's so hard to buy insurance for her car. It's not some secret government conspiracy. It literally exists to protect people on the road. The judge is about to hit her with some solid facts, and she's going to get even more heated. This Karen just keeps digging herself into a deeper and deeper hole. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. But for now, let's dive into the next hearing and see how it all goes down.
Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
I am here as the authorized
Our counsel,
representative of the all cap name. I am here to make a special appearance, limited special appearance.
All right. So
I'm a foreign entity challenging your jurisdiction.
Okay. So I need the actual person, John Pierre Williams. So if you're representing her, I need her to be online as well. So if she cannot be online, I can't proceed with this hearing today, and she's going to be capious at this point in time.
Okay, so that all cap name was created by the state of Michigan for public and political purposes. Are you bringing suit to your own corporation? I am a non-resident alien. Listen to me. I'm
here for, no ma'am. I give you very specific things. This is a matter for no insurance for John Viera Sherelle Williams. If she is not present today, I'm asking you to this matter.
Okay.
Okay. So is she present today?
Do you have any interest in the case of filing a W-9 or a 1040 form with the IRS?
No. This is a traffic matter for no insurance misdemeanor. And if you're not John Viera Williams, you don't have any claims in this case anyway. So I need that person to appear, or else this case will be capious today.
I'm asking you to dismiss the case. Charges.
I don't know.
I am an authorized representative. I just told you I'm an authorized representative.
Do you have a P number? Because the only person who can represent someone in court is an attorney. What is your P number, man?
I'm attorney in fact.
Attorney of fact. I swear, every time a sovereign citizen says this, it makes zero sense. They toss it around like it's some magical phrase that's going to win their case. But that's not how the legal system works. If this woman really wants to speak for herself or act as some kind of entity in court without a proper name, she needs a P number, an actual attorney's license. You can't just make up your own rules in a courtroom. Man, these sovereign citizens are seriously out of touch.
I'm asking you to dismiss this case.
I'm not.
If not, I will put a UCC. I will lean it. I will lean it.
Quiet.
John Viera Sherelle Williams, are you present, ma'am? John Viera Williams, are you present twice? John Viera Sherelle Williams.
To make a special limit appearance on the behalf of
Ms. Williams. If you're not going to answer the question she asked, and don't say anything.
I am here to make a special appearance, limited appearance on the behalf of John Viera Williams, the agent.
Okay.
So John Viera representative. Authorized representative.
All right. So if she's not present today, I cannot move forward because I need her present. All right. So there will be a capious put out on her zero bond until she appears before the court. I need to have John Viera Sherelle Williams appear before the court so that I can make sure I have the right person who has this ticket of no insurance.
Created by the state of Michigan for public and political purposes. Are you bringing suit to your own corporation?
Thank you. John Viera Sherelle Williams is capious until she appears before my court to answer to the no insurance misdemeanor ticket.
Let me know whose side you're on in this court hearing, the sovereign citizen or the common sense side. Personally, I'm all about how this judge handled the situation. She stayed calm, laid down the law, and didn't let this nonsense slide, which is exactly how it should be. Sometimes you see judges who just kind of give in to the sovereign citizen, and I don't think that's very helpful. It's usually best to just ignore them and get them out of the courtroom. But what do you guys think? Did the judge handle it perfectly? Or should she have laid down the hammer a bit more? If you enjoyed this video, don't Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks so much for watching, and take care.